where you stand, with your little head down in your hand. Oh my God, can't believe it's happening again. Your baby's gone and you're all alone, and it looks like the end. You're back out on the street, and you're trying to remember, how do you start it over? You don't know if you can. You don't care much for a stranger's touch, but you can't hold your man. You never thought you'd be alone this far down the line. I know what's been on your mind. You're afraid it's all been wasted time. The autumn leaves that got you thinking about the first time that you felt. You didn't love the boy too much. No, no, you just loved the boy too well. So you live day to day, and you dream about tomorrow, and the hours go by like minutes, and the shadows come to stay. So you take a little something to make them go away. I could have done so many things, baby, if I could only stop my mind from wondering what I left behind, and from worrying about this wasted time. Another love has come and gone. Rushing on. I remember what you told me before you went out on your own. Sometimes you keep it together, we got to leave it alone, so you can get on with your search, baby, and I can get on with mine.